I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting what fills iCloud. Open iCloud Storage Management and identify the biggest consumers. Focus on backups, photos, and iCloud Drive documents so you know where to act. Once done, decide which items you can shrink, delete, or move off iCloud. Make sure to disable automatic backups for any replaced devices and record the largest backup sizes to avoid surprises. This quick analysis saves time later and guides the precise cleanup steps you'll take next. Now you execute changes. Remove obsolete device backups and turn off app data you don't need in iCloud to immediately free space. For photos, enable Optimize Photo Storage or export the library to an external drive, because compressed cloud copies use much less iCloud space. Move bulky iCloud Drive folders, projects, video exports to local storage or a NAS, then delete them from iCloud. Make sure to empty recently deleted in photos and files so space is reclaimed right away. Finish by confirming the freed space in iCloud storage and checking that essential syncs still work. Adjust backup frequency and which apps use iCloud to prevent recurrence. Consider upgrading your plan if you need consistent headroom. Once everything looks correct, restart devices and verify file availability across platforms. If storage metrics don't update or files are missing, sign out of iCloud on one device, then sign back in. And if problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics and restore help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.